Hey guys! How are you doing at all? So yes, after a long period of time it's Adam who is back again from the house of Duratuf. In this video I am going to discuss about the major hose on the house of Duratuf. There are a lot of products which are produced under the house of Duratuf, but there is this unique product called the carbon-free hose which is manufactured from the best suppliers. What is a carbon-free rubber hose? Before moving forward, please keep in touch with me by clicking on the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the perfect notifications about our recent uploads. So sit tight and enjoy the video. Now let us get to the point. These hoses are very much used for the purpose of conveying or carrying the cables of the electrical devices. This is one of the essential and the vital rubber hoses as they do display very good resistance to electricity. Very good resistance to heat. You know why? Because they are made up of a very superior quality of the rubber compound irrespective of the asbestos cover. Now let us talk about some of the features of the carbon-free rubber hose. These rubber hoses have abrasion and weather resistant so that they are made sure to long service life. These tubes are very much resistant to heat as they come from the best high-pressure water hose manufacturers. They have a very wide range of the working temperature. Since these carbon-free hoses are composed with the help of the rubber which is totally resistant to heat, so they are able to function properly within a very good range of the working temperature between -40°C to +100°C. These carbon-free rubber hoses are very much tolerant of the radiations and are able to resist the harmful effects of the radiations. These hoses are also able to tolerate electricity, so they function properly without showing any kind of signs of the malfunctions. They are in-house tested a lot of times as the manufacturer's test certificate is provided along with the supply. We'll talk something about the asbestos cover too. So, keep watching us. Asbestos is a cluster of 6 naturally occurring minerals which is composed of all the thin or the needle-like fibers. Covering does mean enclosing the material of the asbestos to prevent the fibers to stop them from being released. We know that fixing an asbestos problem means either covering or sealing the asbestos material. So do we use a sealant? Using of the sealant can bind the fibers together. Even insulation pipes are repaired this way. So we'll talk about some of the applications of the carbon-free rubber hose. The applications for these carbon-free rubber hoses are very much supreme as they are utilized for services like carrying power cables within iron and steel mills, outfields and many more where the hoses exhibit excellent resistance to radiation, heat, current leakage, splashes of hot metal, etc. There are many kind of the attractive applications of the carbon-free rubber hose as they are used for carrying power cables within the iron and steel mills, glass works, electrical furnaces. Apart from its usage as an equipment for carrying out the wires of the electronic and the electrical devices, Duratuf's supreme quality of the rubber hose has the following vital applications. Let us have a thorough look at it. They are used at the electrical furnaces. They are used at the glass works. They are used at the iron mills or the steel industries. They are also used for outfields purpose. They are also called the furnace coolant rubber hose. Do you know why? They are also called the furnace coolant rubber hose as they are of a very high capacity needed to replace the critical pieces of the complex machineries. As mentioned above, they have a very good range of the application performance where they are also used for the industrial, residential and the commercial purposes. So what are the other kind of the rubber hoses that the house of Duratuf produces? The number of hoses are as follows. Air hose. Brewery and food suction discharge hose. Bulker truck hot air blower hose. Cement grouting rubber hose. Hydraulic rubber hose. Lay flat discharge hose. Chemical suction and discharge hose. Oil suction and discharge hose. Rubber steam hose. Sand, shot blasting rubber hose. Water delivery hose. Water discharge and discharge hose. So folks, that's all for now. For more help, just leave a comment down below about which kinds of the videos would be essential for you. Next. We promise that we are going to pop up again with our new videos for meeting your every important requirements and credentials. So subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of our latest updates. Till then, bye, have fun, thanks a lot.